सेंटेंस का मीनिंग या जो उसमें हिडन था हमारा कलर. आई एम फीलिंग ब्लू टुडे.
नहीं ब्लू मतलब सैड.
From where did that meaning originate? Now that is what is important. कहाँ पे हमने ये associate किया? Thank you, ma'am. Your answer is correct. When I say I'm feeling blue today, it means I'm feeling dull today, I'm feeling sad today, I'm feeling gloomy today. But from where did that originate? If I say I'm feeling pink today,
You are excited.
excited, good health. If I say I'm feeling red today,
Angry.
only.
Aggressive.
Does red only represent anger? I am feeling red today.
Gloomy. अरे gloomy.
Red stands for what all? Notions. What all feelings?
Care.
Care? Okay, something related to that. A little above that.
Active.
Not exactly. Thank you. Shresh? Shreyansh. Okay, Shreyansh has given me a word love. I am feeling red today. Now we'll start, giggling and shying, the moment that word comes out. Okay, I'm feeling very. No, I'm feeling red today. What does it mean?
I'm feeling very.
But I said the same sentence in two ways, no? I said I'm feeling red today, and then I'm saying I'm feeling red today.
Different expression.
Difference of expression, tone, intonation, pitch, volume. ठीक है, the way I'm expressing. तो जो क्वालिटी हमारे पास हिंदी में है ना, कि हमारा अगर सेंटेंस गलत भी शुरू हो जाता है, हम उसको संभाल लेते हैं, हम अपने सेंटेंस को निभा ले जाते हैं. So that is the same thing that we have to do and learn in English also. कई बार we begin the sentence in a wrong manner as from what we were expecting, but कोई बात नहीं, we will learn that skill. तो हमें सेंटेंस को निभा ले जाना आना चाहिए और इसी में लिटरेरी डिवाइसेस, हमारे कलर्स, सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा रोल प्ले करते हैं और ज़्यादातर चीज़ें हमने सर से ही सीखी हैं.